Hey, good morning, everyone. This is TrackMan44. You know, I put up this little video on this skidder, a little overview of the skidder, of which I really know nothing about. And then there was quite a number of people expressed an interest to see it in operation. So I come out this morning, caught the old boys getting ready to fire up, and told them I'd uploaded that little video, and that by popular demand, they wanted to see that y'all wanted to see some of it in operation. And they said that there really was some safety issues, you know, according to insurance and things like that, and that I had to stay a minimum of 300 feet away. So I got a little footage for y'all. I hope y'all enjoy it. And I tried to zoom in. Hopefully you'll be able to see a little bit of it today. Talked to the operator a few minutes ago, and he told me that that'll extend out 70 feet. So I missed it by a little bit, and I estimated 45 to 60. In my defense, I was trying to be conservative. You can obviously see my old Russell Caterpillar drawn road grader right there in the foreground. Another thing he told me too about that blade, he can rotate it horizontally or at virtually any angle from vertical to horizontal at any time that he wants. They won't let me get any closer than this. I've got to try to stay 300 feet away. So unfortunately, I can't have any closer footage. See how quickly you can raise lower, flip left and right, and telescope that boom in and out. I have no idea what the GPM capacity is on that hydraulic pump that's on that rig, but it's got to be way over 100 gallons per minute. It's horizontal now with the blade. He's got several hundred more yards to go off down that that angle and that hill down to the bottom. Yeah, this is the hillside he was backing on down in the tail end of that very last portion of the video, and he made it all the way down to the bottom of the hill. It's a good 1,000 feet, I think, down, maybe more than that, closer to 1,500 feet down there to the corner of my property line, where the power line takes a right turn and goes back to my neighbor lady. She's the only house that these few poles this direction serve. Hey, as a sidebar, a cousin of mine sent me a picture of him whenever he was working in the woods, running a skidder for a logging company. Just a comparison to kind of show you the drivetrain and the similarities between this one and the tree trimming rig. So go ahead and say hi to Mike. He's a handsome devil, just like me, isn't he? At any rate, I got back up here up close and personal, to sign off. And you know what? That's what I'm going to do. End of this video, this Trackman 44, and I am out of here. Come, girl. Hello, Layla. Good girl.